welcome everyone. Hello, I hope you all I am blessed. Hope everyone is blessed today. This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen, and I'm getting ready now to make an eclair cake. And it's very simple. It only takes just 3 or 4 items. Okay, it takes about 10 or 15 minutes to make it. So first I will be reading my scripture. I'll be taking from Psalms 2 and 12. Blessed are all who takes refuge in him. Blessed are all who take refuge in him. Psalms 2 and 12. Thank you for the reading of the word. There is someone that may hear the scripture later on and may need it, so I hope you will enjoy it, and I hope you will use it if it comes in contact with you. Thank you so much. All right, now, on this, I have laid my graham crackers in the bottom of the pan, of the bowl, whatever, here. Now, I'm putting those all in there. And now I have, the next thing I'll be doing, I have vanilla, instant vanilla pudding. This is takes 3 cups of water. 3 cups of milk. I'm sorry, 3 cups of milk.
And how many ounces is that? How many ounces?
It's 5.1. You can see.
Okay, 5.1 ounces, y'all.
Okay, now I'll just be whipping this one up just with the whip. Okay, now I'm going to have to heat. I have 1 cup of heavy cream. Okay.
And that's 1 cup of heavy cream.
Okay. And into the 1 cup of, now I'm going to put, this is Cool Whip, but this, I don't really have Cool Whip, but this whip topping. I put 1 whole thing of the topping into the mixture of the vanilla pudding. And beat it up. Okay. Warm enough. Okay, definitely heavy cream, 1 cup. Now I have to pour this into the on top, and then I'll have to put graham crackers on top. Should have been. Okay, but this has to go in here right now. It got to be stirred up before I put these on top of the cookies. Alright, so. Now,
okay, y'all. She's stirring up the heavy cream in the chocolate chips. How many chocolate chips you put in there?
1.5 cups.
1.5 cups of chocolate chips, y'all.
Then you have to put the cookies on top of it, and then put that on top of the cookies.
Then you put more graham crackers on top. Uh-oh, sorry.
Let me turn the other way. Let me turn the other way. Yeah. All right, my next thing to do is to pour the, hope it ain't got too warm, pour the chocolate, melted chocolate chips on top. So,
And this chocolate, and this is chocolate chips, and this is heavy cream. Okay, y'all, she's gonna put it in the refrigerator for how long?
2 hours.
It goes in the refrigerator for 2 hours. We'll be back once it's finished. All right, thank you.
Now, with the final presentation of my eclair cake that was made out of graham crackers and vanilla flavor, vanilla pudding flavor, instant pudding flavor. Okay, so I'm getting ready to cut it. Let me see now. I'll get this little thing to pick it up with. Suppose it's come up back soon. I'm just gonna cut a little piece from the side here. I think it's about where that cookie ended. Said 2 hours, I don't know. I don't think it's been 2 hours, right?
It's more than 2 hours.
It has, okay. Okay, I guess it has. All right. It comes out. All right. I guess it has been 2 hours. It's supposed to be in there like 2 hours, you all. So it's been 2 hours. You put that more spoons in there. Watching it down. Eclair cake. Okay.
Turn it around.
Is that right? Oh.
Yeah. Okay. That's it. You should put it down, Granny.
Okay. Okay. I got a fork right here. Okay. Yeah, this is very simple to make, and it doesn't take very long. It takes more time for it to stay in the freezer, in the refrigerator, than it does to make it. It's made out with graham crackers and vanilla instant pudding mix. with a little whipped cream and Cool Whip. Now this is very good. Very good. It's so good. This is a nice, quick little dessert. If y'all want to make it for, what is it?
Memorial Day.
Memorial Day. Okay. I'm trying to get the holidays are coming so fast, you guys. I can't remember which one this one is. But this is real nice and something that you can have for Memorial Day. Just make sure. And it calls for 3 cups of milk and 1 whole bowl of Cool Whip. But now I had just used regular store brand whip. That's what I use right now. And you're supposed to leave it in the refrigerator for 2 hours at least. And so the it will be in the, and you'll have it in the content. Okay, you now this is very good, and I think you could try it and go along with your Labor Day, Memorial Day, picnic day. But just be sure to leave it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. And if you're going to take it out on the outside, make sure you put it on top of a freezer so it'll stay cold. So I thank you, and I hope you all will try it. It's very good. It doesn't have a lot of calories in it either. Just the graham crackers and a little bit of the heavy cream. So thank you so much. This is Miss Lena's Kitchen. Eclair cake is made out of graham crackers and pudding mix, vanilla pudding mix, okay, and just a little milk. So thank you so much. I hope you all will try it. Thank you and have a good day. Goodbye now from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Bye-bye.